Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Richard. Today we'll be discussing a highly debated topic in the car industry, the future of electric cars. Are we facing hurdles or just a temporary setback? Let's get started. Electric vehicles, also known as EVs, have been praised as the transportation of the future, as they have the potential to reduce emissions and achieve net zero carbon footprint. However, recent reports suggest a possible slowdown in their progress. Let's examine the facts. Firstly, let's delve into sales figures. Last year saw a record number of electric cars sold, but surprisingly, their market share did not increase by any further for the first time since 2018. In 2023, EVs accounted for 16.5% of all new car sales in the UK, only slightly down from 16.6% in 2022. This stagnation causes concern about the demand for EVs. Experts believe that a recent surge in car sales was largely driven by companies purchasing EVs for their fleets, thanks to alternative tax incentives. However, every day, consumers like you and me are encountering obstacles due to the high cost of upfront of these vehicles. One of the significant challenges in the EV industry is the limited charging infrastructure. Public charging points are still relatively scarce, especially in the east of England, where there are only around 5,000 available compared to the national total of 61,000. This shortage could potentially impact tourism and discourage potential EV buyers. Nevertheless, some companies are exploring innovative solutions to tackle the problem. For instance, chargers embedded in pavements and portable charging units are emerging. However, the pace of development needs to accelerate in order to meet the growth and demand. Even prominent manufacturers like Tesla are experiencing the impact. Sales are declining, jobs cuts have occurred, and their Chinese competitors, BYD, is also struggling with decreasing profits and sales. To remain competitive, car manufacturers are forced to reduce prices. Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla, is particularly focused on the future of self-driving cars. He believes that robot taxis will be a game changer. However, at the moment, the emphasis is on making EVs more affordable and accessible to the general public. Governments worldwide have set ambitious climate targets, including the UK. The goal in the UK is to phase out all petrol and diesel cars by 2035. However, with EV sales declining, many are calling for additional incentives and tax breaks to encourage a wider adoption of EVs. The Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders, the SMMT, is urging the UK government to halve the VAT on electric vehicles and reintroduce grants for individual buyers to stimulate progress. Even local councils have a crucial role to play. For instance, in Norfolk is facing challenges with electric car charging station projects. The proposed location, which included 2 popular food spots, can accommodate 20 vehicles, does not comply with the local development rules. This showcases ongoing struggles to strike the right balance between development and adhering to local planning regulations. In conclusion, do we risk losing momentum in the electric car revolution? Undoubtedly. We face significant challenges ranging from infrastructure issues to affordability. However, the continuous innovations and government support, the future of electric vehicles still shines brightly. Now it's time to hear your thoughts. Do you believe we're on the right track, or should we accelerate the pace? Share your opinions in the comments below. Thank you for joining us, everyone. Remember to hit the like button and share the love, and subscribe for the latest updates on mind-blowing automotive technology. See you next time. Bye for now.